You wish the Eras Tour was longer? I have the solution for you. I did something bad and I planned the most inefficient tour Taylor Swift could take. This map shows the tour Taylor actually took if we consider just the US cities. And here's the map showing the shortest possible route. Thankfully, I can easily tweak the shortest route problem to get the longest possible route. Are you ready for it? In the language of graph theory, we call each city a node, and the line connecting any two cities is called an edge. To find the shortest path that visits all cities, we need to minimize the sum of the lengths of the edges that we're using in the solution. That's how I got my shortest possible route. To find the longest path that visits all cities, we just need to maximize this quantity. But unfortunately, I happen to choose a solver that only knows how to minimize. And I don't feel like recoding the whole problem for a different solver. But thankfully, I've got some tricks up my sleeve. Maximizing a function is the same as minimizing the negative of that function. So if I make all the distances between the cities negative, finding the shortest path will actually give us the most negative number. I'm a mastermind, I know. But when I tried this, my solver said, you need to calm down. I can only take positive numbers as distances. So I used another math trick. If I add a constant to a function, the minimum will happen in the same place. So for our problem, if I take the most negative distance, negative 2,731 miles, and I make it positive, I can just add 2,731 to all of our distances, and voila! All of the distances are non-negative, and my solver is at peace. We use tricks like this all the time in optimization. Sometimes a brand new problem can be rewritten in a familiar way and solved using tools we already have. This is why pattern recognition is so important in problem solving, and also why I happen to think Easter egg obsessed Swifties would be excellent mathematicians. Y'all can find patterns in fence posts, website headings, upside down album logos, but I digress. You came here for the longest tour that ever lived. So here it is. The figment of my worst intentions. Now that's gonna leave me haunted.